Alright, today we're going to change the instrument cluster on a 1999 Lexus ES 300. The speedometer isn't working, so we're going to see if this will fix her, since the wheel speed sensors didn't do it, and this transmission does not have transmission speed sensor, believe it or not. The odometer on this is 180, 140. We'll see what the new odometer says. Alright, so I'm going to put this steering column all the way down. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. It's got 2 screws up inside here. This one should come out easy because I've replaced light bulbs in it before. Then if you haven't had it out before, you might need a little pry tool to help loosen it up, but it pops right out. Flathead screwdriver gets you, but it pops straight out. And that's your cover there. Then there's 4 screws, one down there, one up here, opposite side, bottom corner. All of the screws are the same, so it doesn't matter what they look like or where they go. Thank goodness for magnetic bits, I'll tell you that. And as we pull this out, there's going to be, I think, 4 connectors on the back side. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what's going in. So kind of unplug them in that order too, because the access is kind of tight. Roll it out. Squeeze the tab. As you get each one out, it gives you a little bit more room for the next one. And the last one in the back. Be able to see it better after I pull this out. This is the old one. And these tabs, very easy to squeeze. Squeeze the little tabs on each one of them, and it'll unclip it. And the new one goes in opposite of the way taking it out. Push them till they click. The last one will be the hardest one, because you have the least amount of access. And going on the feels, goes right in there like so. That was easy.
I didn't hear a click.
It's in there. I tugged it. I felt it. I felt the click, but I didn't hear it either, but I tugged it afterwards to make sure it was in. All right, so then we rock it back in there. And place those screws. We'll shove the key in and see what the odometer reading on this one is. Looks like the gauges are pretty much lighting up. This one is a nice 312,743, so I think it's fair to say that we'll have to record that difference. But that's it. We'll snap on the bezel, 2 more screws, and we're done. That easy.